Hi there, John here from Romania, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a strategy that can make easily for you $200 per day or more with very small work. But before I show you the strategy, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hit that like button and comment down below. This strategy it is special for beginners. If you watch YouTube video every single day, then you can make money with YouTube help. I am not going to tell you to open a YouTube channel to make money with it. This idea it is extremely good, but it take time and effort to make money with YouTube. If you want to start, it is a good idea, but I am going to show you an option here on YouTube that maybe you know about or maybe not. I am going to teach you how to make money with a service that you can find a lot of sites on the internet that are willing to pay for the service good amount of money. You can make $200 per day with one site, but if you register in 10 sites, the money will be a lot. So what I am trying to teach you here is go out there and find site that pay you for transcribe. I know it is sound difficult, but it is not difficult. The YouTube will do all the hard work for you, and you need just to do one more thing after YouTube does his work for you. So let me show two examples of the sites. Rev.com is the first site, and you can come to the site and read and learn more about it. What you are interested in it is transcription and caption. You see here that you are paid $1.25 per minute. And believe they will send you big files so you can make a lot of money. Scroll down to the bottom and find here freelancer and click on it. Here you have the page for you to register in the system. You will get paid weekly into your PayPal account. Pay attention on what they ask you first so you can get accepted. Let me show you another site similar to this one. Site name it is transcribeme.com. Become a paid transcriptionist today. Here you find some training for your work, so you see. These people really looking for guys like you to help them get money online. No experience or upfront investment. We're a leading work from home employer thanks to our intuitive platform, regular payouts, and steady work stream. Joining doesn't cost a penny. All you need to get started is reliable internet and a computer. Click up in the right corner join as transcriptionees. And you find here the registration page. So let's say you are registered in 10 sites like this, and they start to send you audio and video file. What you need to do is just create a YouTube account so you can upload that video file. You can put the video as private and nobody will see it. It is just you that can see that video. Go to watch the video and let me show here at one video. You see this 3 dots. Click on it and open transcript. YouTube just done your work. Copy this transcript and go to Google Docs and paste it there, and after that just play the video and follow the reading. Where it is some mistake, pause the video, fix that mistake and so on. After the Google Docs it is finished, you send it to the team from the site that asked you to transcribe that video. You can try to upload audio file too in YouTube. I don't know if it works. If not working, you need to install a free desktop recording. Play the audio, start recording your screen, and after that you have a video format. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, comment down below. Take a tour of my channel and you may find some things useful. You can consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram work_smart not hard, and you can find me on Facebook too under the same brand name. I wish you all the best.